Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We explore the latest advancement in artificial intelligence. Today we are talking about a new and exciting topic, GPT, which is generative pre-trained transformer chatbot. GPT chatbots have taken the world by storm and revolutionizing the way we interact with AI. But before we dive into the details of GPT chatbots, let's first understand who is behind this technology. GPT was created by the legendary AI scientist Sutskever, who is also the co-founder of OpenAI. Sutskever has been a pioneer in the field of deep learning and has made numerous groundbreaking contributions to the development of AI. In 2018, Sutskever and his team at OpenAI released the first version of GPT, which quickly gained popularity due to its ability to generate human-like text. The purpose of GPT chatbot is to provide a natural and seamless interaction experience between humans and AI. The goal is to create an AI that can understand and respond to human language just like a human would. So, GPT is a type of language model that uses a deep learning to generate text. It's based on the transformer architecture, which allows it to handle long-term dependency in language and generate coherent and relevant text. GPT-3, the latest version of GPT, is capable of performing a wide range of tasks from text summarization to language translation and even writing code. So, it's also able to generate creative and engaging text for a variety of genres including fiction, poetry, and news articles. However, despite its impressive capabilities, GPT is not perfect. It still has limitations and can generate biased or irrelevant text at times. Additionally, it's important to note that GPT is not a true AI, as it can only generate text based on data it has been trained on. So, there you have it, an introduction to GPT chatbots and their capabilities and limitations. So, right now we are going straight to the trending topic of the day. We are going to talk about which is a fantastic technology that's changing the way we interact with computers. This is Chat GPT, cutting-edge language models developed by OpenAI. Also, maybe we'll dive more into OpenAI introduction. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by some of the big names in the tech industry, including Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, and Wojciech Zaremba. The goal of OpenAI was to develop artificial intelligence technologies that would benefit humanity as a whole. And ChatGPT is one of their most remarkable achievements to date. Looking at some of the reasons why they developed ChatGPT or why they invented ChatGPT. Language models like ChatGPT were developed to help computers understand and generate human language. Prior to this model, computers struggled with tasks that require a deep understanding of language, such as translation or summarization. But with the rise of deep learning and the availability of vast amount of data, it became possible to train language models on unprecedented scale, and that's where ChatGPT comes in. ChatGPT is a transformer-based language model. It's been trained on a massive corpus of data. It uses deep neural network to generate text that's highly similar to human language. When you input a prompt to ChatGPT, it generates a response based on what it's learned from the training data. The more data is being trained on, the better it becomes at understanding and generating language. So, ChatGPT was first released by OpenAI in 2019, and it quickly became one of the most popular language models in the world. Today, it's being used for a wide range of applications, customer service and chatbots, language translation, and even creative writing. And ChatGPT is capable of performing a wide range of tasks, with a wide range of language-related tasks, including text completion, question answering, summarization, and more. It's also highly versatile, meaning that you can fine-tune it for specific applications like customer service or creative writing to achieve even better results. So, despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT still has some limitations. For example, it's been trained on a large corpus of text data, but it still struggles with certain tasks that requires deep understanding of the world, such as common sense reasoning. Additionally, it's not always possible to control the content that ChatGPT generates, which can lead to some undesirable results at times. And ChatGPT is a remarkable technology that's changing the way we interact with computers. Its ability to understand and generate human language is opening up new possibilities for AI applications that were previously impossible. However, it's important to remember that it's not a perfect technology and there are still limitations to what it can do. Regardless, ChatGPT is an exciting development in the field of AI, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. So, right now, let's go straight and see ChatGPT in action, what you can do with ChatGPT actually, and how you can get started with it on your mobile phone, on your tablet, on your laptop, on your desktop. Because ChatGPT, you can use it to do anything. Maybe you're a content creator like me, you can use it to create your videos. Like this very video, I created this video using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the one who wrote for me the script, who guided me on the theme, on the video title, thumbnail, everything. It can do it for you. Maybe you're a storyteller. ChatGPT can write for you a story. You can just give ChatGPT topic that, write for me a story on the topic this, and write for you the whole story. And maybe you're a movie writer. Just tell ChatGPT what your movie will be about, and it will write for you everything perceiving the scheme. ChatGPT, you can use it to write books. You can maybe you're a programmer, you can use ChatGPT to write codes. You can just enter there how you want maybe your website or your app or your anything you want to develop, and ChatGPT will write for you all the codes. Maybe you're a student, you can use it to answer your question. Anything you want, ChatGPT can do it for you. So it's a very fantastic technology. So right now, let's get started and see how we can use it on our. After you go to your web browser, then you type OpenAI. We're typing OpenAI because OpenAI is the company that made this ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is just like a page under their website. That's ChatGPT. Okay, then it now brings this interface. This one is now inside the OpenAI website and the ChatGPT page. Then you scroll down. Then if you reach here, you'll go to where it is saying try ChatGPT. You click try ChatGPT. Okay, then after it will bring to this interface where it is saying welcome to ChatGPT. Login with your OpenAI account to continue. Then from here, if you have already registered or you have already created an account with OpenAI, then here you are just going to log in. But if you have not yet registered and it's your first time to use ChatGPT, then you're going to sign up. And right now, since we are still new to this, we are still going to sign up. So you click sign up. Then after, you'll have to create an account, or you'll enter your email address. Then you take this box. Prove that you're not a robot. Okay, then here it will just give you some brief tasks to show that you're not a robot. Select an image with grid. So you're going to select any image with a grid. Yeah. Click verify. Okay, then you will now take that one, I'm not a robot. Then you just click continue. Okay, then here you're going to put in your password, the password you're going to use. Put the password. The password should have at least 8 characters. Then you click continue. Okay, then now it will take you to this step where you'll have to verify your email. So, how to verify your email? You can see it is written here, verify your email. You have sent your hand email to francis@gmail.com. Click the link inside to get started. So, you're going to leave this interface. Then after leaving, you go to your Gmail. Where you'll get an email sent there. Oh, it is also up here. I can also access from app here. Okay, then here you'll see a message from OpenAI. This one up here. Then from here, verify your email address. Click verify email. Okay, then now at this step your email is verified. Then it's now just set your profile. You tell us about yourself. First name, write there your first name. Last name, write your last name. Then after writing your first and last name, we continue. Verify your phone number. So from this step you verify your phone number. For the country you need not to select because it will automatically detect your country. So you only type your phone number. You just click send code. Okay, then here they will send a code to your phone number. Then the code you'll have to enter it here. Then you go to your inbox. This here. Then you copy. After copying, you will have to come and paste it here. Okay, then after pasting, it will now verify your phone number. And you wait. Then from here you can read through them, but as for now we're just going to click next. It will bring you many of them, but you just click next. But if you're not doing your phone, you can read through them. Then you just click done. Yep. Wow, now on the final dashboard, this is where we wanted to go. Abilities and limitations, you can read through them. So now the amazing part of it is now this part here down here. As you can see here, you can type anything, any question you want. Like for example, let us ask him a question. Let us ask Chat GPT a question that Chat GPT will answer. Let us say, what is technology? And just click this word arrow. The technology refer to the tools, what, blah, 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 blah. It will bring in many. Wow. This is technology. Technology refers to the tool, method, and system that are developed to solve problems and improve the efficiency of tasks. It can, then now, if maybe you want to use this thing here for maybe something you want to copy, you just click this one here, then you just click save, then it has saved it already. So what you have saved, like when you search for something and you have saved, maybe you also want to search for something else. If you save it, it will appear in your chat. This one here, new chat. So define technology. So technology is now already what? The definition for technology is now already noted in your chat, and you can access them anytime you want. Meanwhile, also is also in your clipboard. Yeah. So let us also ask another question. What is the latest technology in car manufacturing industry? Let us see what Chat GPT will tell us. So now here it will be down here. You can see some of the latest technology in car manufacturing industry include electric and hybrid vehicle, electron one, self-driving cars. So Chat GPT is now telling us some of the latest technology in car manufacturing industry. The third one is Internet of Things, IoT, and connected cars. The fourth is 3D printing. 3D printing is being used to create car parts and prototypes, which can save time. The fifth one is advanced materials. So it will bring you as many as possible. The sixth is advanced manufacturing technologies, automation and robotics. Maybe you maybe want to stop. You may want it to stop, like not to, like maybe the one you have is already enough. you can just click. Okay, you click this box here. Then after clicking that box, it will now stop bringing it. That means the one dashboard is enough for you. Like Chat GPT can even code for you. Like you can code the whole app using Chat GPT. So maybe to try, let us ask Chat GPT like, create a HTML code for a simple calculator. So let's see what Chat GPT will do. Wow, so as you can see, it's ready creating the code. So it is saying here is an example of a simple HTML code for a calculator, and the code is here. As you can see, code for a simple calculator. It is here. It is still like still typing the codes. So I told you can use ChatGPT to do anything. Maybe if you're a programmer, you can just think of what you want to program and you ask ChatGPT to do for you everything. You'll just be copy and pasting. Like right now, there's the option here to copy. You can just copy the code and go and paste it in your text editor. Just open. So here is the code for your calculator. And to bring some notes under the code, this code creates a simple calculator with button for digits 0 to 9, basic mathematical operator, how the calculator will look like. So at times it may bring you like things that doesn't match your needs. So if maybe you are not interested in the design of the code, maybe the calculator may not look nice to you, you can just click this refresh or reset button, and then it will again bring you another calculator apart from this one in another form. So if you press this one here, it will again start a fresh code. So this one will again be different from the first one. The calculator will not be like the other one. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Turn the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new video of that kind. And please, if you find the video helpful, please share it to your friends, share to your relatives so that they don't miss out on this amazing technology. We meet in the next video. It's the Pearl Ultratech.